This is a question from GATE 2014 from Chemical Engineering, question number 17. In order to produce fine solid particles between 5 and 10 micrometers, the approximate size reducing equipment is, and the options given are A. Fluid energy mill, B. Hammer mill, C. Jaw crusher, and D. Smooth roll crusher. This is a question from size reduction part in mechanical operations, and the reference NPTEL lecture can be found in Unit 3, Lecture 14 and 15, Size Reduction Equipment 1 and 2, Mechanical Operations by Professor Shabina Khanam, Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Roorkee. So here we have four different crushers, rollers and mills which are used for reduction of size of particles. So in these four, jaw crusher usually handles very large particles of the range of 1 to 6 feet feedstock, and this will give particles in the product having a range of 0.25 inches product. And similarly, the product coming out of hammer mill will be in the range of millimeter to some centimeter range. Usually, product range less than 1 centimeter. And smooth roll crusher also has a similar range as these crushers and hammer mills. So the only option remaining here is fluid energy mill. So the concept of fluid energy mill is that we can see the concept using this schematic. So this is a brief schematic of fluid energy mill. So the feed enters like this and it is injected into the mill by a venturi injector, and under the bottom part of this mill will be grates having some windows through which air or superheated steam will be passed at very high velocities. So the air or steam will be passed inside this mill at very high velocities. So this air or superheated steam is what makes the particles fluidized inside this fluidized energy mill. And because these air and superheated steam are passed at very high velocities, this will lead to very high turbulence. And because of this very high turbulence, the particles inside this fluid energy mill will vigorously come in contact with each other and will undergo various attrition and impact forces. And this will lead to very small particles, or also called as ultra fine particles, which are usually in the range of 5 to 20 micrometer. So fluid energy mill is what we can use to produce fine solid particles between 5 and 10 micrometer. So the correct answer here is option A, fluid energy mill.